Hi guys, welcome to TechTune channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can sign out Apple ID from iPhone. So let's go to settings first. After go to settings, you will see the first option which is your Apple ID with your name. Click on this, the first option. Then you have to scroll a bit and you will find the red option, the very bottom, the last one, sign out option. Click on this sign out. After clicking on sign out, it will ask for your Apple ID password. So put the password here, and you can see on top right corner a turn off option. After putting password, you can click on turn off. So after turning off, it will disable or it will sign out the password from this iPhone. Okay guys, so this is how you can sign out Apple ID from iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.